Welcome back, Mid-Michigan. I'm WR, and I'll be doing the weather this afternoon. You join us at our local conditions right outside the park library. Right now, the temperature is 65 degrees with the feel-like temperature of also 65, with winds 10 miles an hour from the west. We don't have the wind gusts right now, but it's in that 10 mile an hour ballpark range. And if we look down here at our lower quadrant radar, we don't have anything going on. It's a very nice day out, and if you haven't been outside recently, there's hardly a cloud in the sky. It's a very nice day. So if you have any sort of raking or any sort of yard work you still have yet to do, this afternoon would be a great time to take care of those chores. Taking a look on our sky tracker, as I mentioned earlier, there's hardly any clouds in the sky at all, and that is true throughout the rest of the lower peninsula. So if you really got anything to do outside, this is the afternoon to do it. And this sky tracker just reiterates that, showing that there's no big cold front coming through with any rain anytime soon. Moving on ahead, looking at our glance outside, our roads in the local area are very clear, so I would not expect any weather-related traffic delays at all this afternoon or into tonight. Looking northbound on 127, traffic is moving at posted speeds with a temperature of 65 degrees outside right now. So if you do have any traveling to do, we are in a green travel condition, so it's very nice to go out. And if you, let's say you had to go down to Lansing to see the Christmas tree, this afternoon would be a great time to do it. Looking at our current temperatures, Mount Pleasant is 66 degrees, a degree warmer in Lansing at 67, further north in Gaylord at 65, and into Detroit even 70 degrees. When looking west across Lake Michigan, Wisconsin is a little warmer with Green Bay at 72 and Milwaukee at 70 degrees. Zooming in at our local conditions here, in the county south of us, Ithaca is at 67, and the same can be said at Alma. Moving further north into Isabella County, like we mentioned earlier, Mount Pleasant's at 66 degrees, Lake Isabel at 65, and Midland also at 66 degrees. Further north into Clare County, Clare is at 65 degrees, highs at 66, and Lake George also at 66. So most of Michigan is in the upper 60s this afternoon. Looking at our evening planner for the rest of tonight. 6 p.m., expect temperatures of 61 degrees with mostly sunny conditions. And as the sun sets, the temperature is really going to start to decrease, and that's just only because there aren't any clouds at all. So by 9 p.m., expect temperatures of 50 degrees, and by midnight, 44 degrees. So it will be a chilly night tonight, but that won't be too bad. Looking at our bus stop forecast, if you're going off to school tomorrow, expect temperatures of around 38 degrees. It'll warm up just a little bit, and the fog will be there in the morning, but as the sun as the sun comes, it's going to burn away that fog, and it will increase up to 63. That's all from me. Back to Kylie and Rachel.
Hello everyone, my name is Megan Weber. I'm your weather specialist, and right now we are taking a look at our satellite radar. There is absolutely no precipitation on the radar right now, so we are looking for some clear and beautiful conditions coming in tonight. Now looking at our future skycast. Tomorrow morning it looks to be very clear. There is going to be some patchy fog, so that is something that we need to look out for. Moving on to Thursday morning, there's going to be some cloud coverage because there is a low pressure system making our way into the area. And we can see that Friday morning, this is a cold front coming in, and if you look farther out west, there's actually some mixed precipitation coming in from this cold front. But thankfully for us, we have a very warm and dry air mass kind of hanging over our area, so that will weaken the cold front quite a bit. So we will not be seeing any mixed precipitation when it comes into our area on Saturday afternoon. But that should clear up as of Monday, and so looking at our 10-day temperature trend, Thursday and Friday it's going to be 69 and 70 degrees, so pretty warm outside. And as I said before, the cold front is going to be coming in Saturday into Sunday, and that will cool down our temperatures quite a bit coming into the next week. Now for our extended forecast, it's going to be 64 degrees and sunny tomorrow. And then on Thursday it's going to be 66 with a low of 53. On Saturday and into Sunday, that cold front is coming through, and then we're going to be seeing temperatures drop down to 58 on Monday.